Ever found yourself stuck trying to take your creative projects to the next level? The world of technology offers a solution: no-code AI products. These tools are designed to empower the creatively inclined by offering an array of functionalities that don't require any coding skills. Imagine having the power of artificial intelligence at your fingertips without having to write a single line of code. Today, we'll walk you through how to harness the potential of these no-code AI products, step by step. Before we dive into the fascinating world of no-code AI products, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Your support helps us to continue creating content that empowers your creativity. So, are you ready to take your creative projects to the next level? Great! Let's get started with our first no-code AI product. First on our list is the incredible platform, Obviously AI. This innovative tool is a game changer for those who want to delve into the world of machine learning without complexities of coding. All it takes is uploading your data, choosing the outcome you want to predict, and the magic begins. It creates your very own machine learning model in just a few clicks. Now let's talk about the features that make Obviously AI stand out. It boasts an intuitive and user-friendly interface that simplifies machine learning. It offers a range for you to choose from, providing the flexibility to find the one that best suits your needs. Moreover, it provides real-time predictions, enabling quick decision-making based on live data. The benefits of using Obviously AI are manifold. It saves you time and effort by automating complex processes. It allows you to focus on interpreting the results rather than getting bogged down in the technicalities of creating a model. Most importantly, it opens the door to data-driven design, empowering you to make informed design decisions. Let's delve into the possible use cases. If you're a designer, for instance, you can use Obviously AI to predict design trends and stay ahead of the curve. For filmmakers, it can provide insights into audience preferences, guiding you to produce content that will resonate with your viewers. In the field of architecture, it can help predict which designs will be most sustainable or popular, based on historical data. Even musicians can use it to discover patterns in popular music and create their next hit. In essence, Obviously AI is not just a tool, but a creative companion offering endless possibilities in any creative field you can think of. It truly revolutionizes the way we approach design and creativity in the digital age. Coming up next is Bubble, an innovative tool that enables you to construct web applications minus the coding. Imagine it as a digital painting canvas, where you can sketch out your application design while Bubble handles all the technical aspects. This platform is a superb choice if you're passionate about web design or if you're looking to craft a captivating interactive portfolio for your art. Diving deeper into the functionalities of Bubble, it offers a simple drag-and-drop interface that is user-friendly and easily navigable even for beginners. The interface design is visually appealing and intuitive, which adds to the ease of use. You can add elements such as text boxes and images by merely dragging them to the desired position. The tool features built-in responsive design capabilities, allowing your application to adapt to different screens and devices, enhancing its versatility. With Bubble, you can create a wide range of applications, from basic websites to platforms with user authentication, database systems, and interactive elements. Furthermore, Bubble's ability to integrate seamlessly with other tools and apps gives it an added advantage. You can connect it with an array of third-party services like Google, MailChimp, and Stripe, extending its potential functionalities. So, whether you're an aspiring web designer or someone who wants to showcase their artwork impressively, Bubble opens up a world of possibilities with its straightforward and powerful platform. Dive into Runway ML, a powerful tool that becomes a game-changer for creatives, introducing them to the world of machine learning. Runway ML equips you with the capability to experiment with distinctive AI models, presenting an extraordinary opportunity to create distinctive visuals, dynamic animations, and so much more. Think of it as having your very own AI-empowered design assistant. Let's delve a little deeper into Runway ML's AI models. These AI models are the heart of the tool. They process the data and generate the results. The models are trained on extensive data sets, and they are designed to help users explore a broad range of creative possibilities. They are user-friendly and do not require extensive technical expertise to be used effectively. To use these AI models, you simply need to input your data or design, select the AI model you wish to use, and let the tool run its course. The AI models then take your input, process it, and generate a unique output. The process is streamlined and intuitive, designed for creatives from all backgrounds. What makes Runway ML stand out is the unique visuals and animations that can be created with it. From creating surreal landscapes to designing intricate 3D models and fluid animations, the tool allows you to push the boundaries of your imaginative capacity. Each AI model provides different capabilities, enabling you to experiment with various styles and techniques. In essence, with Runway ML, your creative possibilities are endless. Moving on to Voiceflow, a revolutionary platform that empowers you to create voice applications, sidestepping the need for intensive coding. The platform is a boon for those engrossed in the worlds of podcasting or storytelling, as it facilitates the creation of interactive voice experiences. Delving deeper into its features, Voiceflow stands head and shoulders above with its intuitive interface. It includes a drag-and-drop canvas that simplifies the creation process. The platform is cloud-based, allowing simultaneous team collaboration, offering real-time updates, and making it possible to work from any location. Voiceflow also comes with prototyping capabilities. It enables you to test your voice applications and make necessary refinements before the final release. It supports integration with both Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you the flexibility to develop applications for either or both platforms. Leveraging Voiceflow for podcasting or storytelling can be a game changer. Whether you want to integrate interactive elements into your podcast or create an immersive storytelling experience, Voiceflow's robust toolkit is there to make your vision reality. You can create a unique, engaging audio experience for your audience, offering them the chance to interact with your content in a way they never could before. Finally, we come to Harmonai, an innovative tool that redefines the realm of possibilities in sound and music creation. Harmonai enables you to weave AI-generated music. This entails that, by harnessing high-end artificial intelligence technology, Harmonai can invent distinctive melodies and harmonies, far surpassing the potential of conventional music tools. If you're a musician, Harmonai can be an irreplaceable asset in your creative journey. It can offer a fresh angle, pushing you to explore novel sounds and rhythms that you may not have thought of in your compositions. It can also ignite inspiration, sparking ideas when you might be grappling with a creative deadlock. It presents a myriad of benefits for both established artists and budding musicians, from enriching your sound to expediting your songwriting process. On the flip side, if you're a filmmaker, Harmonai can be your covert tool for devising an entirely unique score. Instead of leaning on stock music or allocating budget for high-priced composers, Harmonai enables you to create a tailor-made score that immaculately aligns with the mood and theme of your film. This can enhance your storytelling, adding an extra layer to your work that deeply engages your audience. The practical applications of Harmonai in these domains are numerous. For musicians, pop artist Taryn Southern utilized an AI music tool akin to Harmonai to produce her album I Am AI, setting it as the first album fully composed and produced with artificial intelligence. In the world of film, director Oscar Sharp utilized an AI software to orchestrate the score for his short film Sunspring, creating an exceptional ambiance that traditional music couldn't accomplish. In essence, Harmonai is not merely a tool, but a game changer for musicians and filmmakers, empowering them to push creative boundaries and redefine what's achievable with music. Each of these tools has its own unique features and capabilities, but they all share one common trait. They're designed to democratize technology. They put the power of AI in the hands of creatives, regardless of their technical skills. By doing so, they are shattering the barriers that once existed in the realm of technology, giving every individual the power to create, innovate, and transform their ideas into reality. So, are you ready to take your creativity to the next level? These no-code AI products are not just tools, but they are the conduits that can take your creative process to heights you have never imagined before. They can optimize your workflow, save precious time, and allow you to focus on the creative aspect, less on the technical challenges. The potential of these no-code AI products to revolutionize your creative process is immense. They can be the secret ingredient you've been missing, the missing puzzle piece that could bring your whole project together in a way you never thought possible. Moreover, these products have the potential to democratize technology in a way that was previously unthinkable. They are leveling the playing field, ensuring that anyone, no matter their technical prowess or background, can harness the power of AI to turn their creative visions into reality. We encourage you to go ahead. Explore these amazing no-code AI products. Delve into this world of endless possibilities and let your creativity soar high. Unleash your imagination. The power of AI augment your creativity. Allow these tools to revolutionize not just your creative projects, but also the way you perceive technology. So why wait? Dive into the world of no-code AI today and watch your creative boundaries expand beyond measure.